Hey man, let's talk about something that can seriously change the game for you when it comes to attracting women, how to make her chase you without saying a word. Now, this isn't about playing games, but about understanding the silent signals that will make her come to you. Let's dive in. 1. The power of mystery. Look, mystery is magnetic. When you keep a bit of distance and leave some things unsaid, you trigger curiosity. You see, if you're always available, always texting, always pouring yourself into her, the magic fades away. Women are drawn to men they can't figure out completely. When you don't spill all the details about yourself too quickly, she starts wondering, and curiosity is a powerful thing. Don't reveal too much, let her come to you to uncover the story. 2. Emotional independence. Here's the deal, women are drawn to men who don't need them. If you're always chasing her, constantly seeking her approval, you lose your value. The secret is emotional independence. Keep your own life interesting. When you're content and fulfilled, not waiting around for her validation, she feels that you're not desperate. That's what sparks her attraction. Stay busy, keep your life exciting, and let her wonder what you're doing. 3. Body language speaks volumes. Now, let's talk about body language. Your body says more than words ever will. Women notice the way you carry yourself. If you stand tall, maintain good posture, and make steady eye contact, you're silently showing her that you're a man of value. But here's the thing, don't overdo it. Don't try to force attraction, just be confident in who you are. It's the subtle things, the way you hold yourself, the calm in your demeanor that get her attention. Actions over words, that's the key. 4. Create the right balance of attention. It's easy to get caught up in giving her all the attention, but that's the mistake most guys make. The moment she feels like you're available all the time, you lose that intrigue. So don't always be there, let her come to you. This isn't about being distant or ignoring her, it's about creating a balance. Be there when it matters, but keep her wanting more. Let her earn your time and attention. Don't always be the first to text, the first to call. 5. Let your actions speak for you. This one's simple. Actions speak louder than words. Instead of constantly telling her who you are, show her with your life. Live a life that makes her want to be a part of it. Stay focused on your goals. Stay busy with your passions. When she sees that you're living your life to the fullest, she'll want to be involved. You don't need to say a word, just live your best life, and she'll naturally want to chase you. Keep her guessing. Finally, let's wrap this up with a big one. Keep her guessing. Don't always be predictable. If she knows exactly what you're going to do, what you're going to say, when you're going to say it, the attraction dies. So keep things fresh. Be spontaneous. Sometimes, take a step back. Let her chase a little bit. When you keep the pace unpredictable, she'll stay intrigued. Don't be so easy to figure out. So there you have it. How to make her chase you without saying a word. Keep a little mystery. Stay emotionally independent. Let your body language do the talking, and show her through your actions. Don't always be available, and keep her guessing. When you do these things, she won't be able to resist chasing after you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with any thoughts or questions. Stay confident, keep your distance, and remember, actions speak louder than words. Catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you want more content on attraction tips, relationship dynamics, and how to level up your dating life.